Achoo!
Bless you. Cover your mouth.
I did cover my mouth.
But you have to cover your mouth even more.
I know. I'm sorry.
You sneeze on me. Flip.
I did?
That's yucky.
Sorry, it's my allergies.
I want to watch this, but I also want to watch.
Achoo!
Hey! Cover your mouth again! Achoo!
Sorry.
Flip. That's yucky. That's yucky.
It's my allergies. Achoo!
Bless you! Cover your mouth.
Thank you. Santana, come sit down. Achoo! Achoo!
Cover your mouth.
I did.
Ew, that's yucky. Yucky.
I did cover my mouth.
Like you need to cover your mouth, please.
Santana. My sneeze again.
Santana said, cover your mouth.
I did.
But Santana said,
Achoo!
hey!
What?
You cover your mouth and then you sneeze on me.
I'm sorry.
Cover your mouth.
Okay. Santana, come here.
No. Look, they're on the pigs. Look at the pigs. Then they start going bye-bye. Bye-bye. Then you're not hungry. They smell like pizza.
Achoo!
Hey! Cover your mouth. You sneeze on me again.
I'm sorry. I'm very sick.
Looks like you have fever.
Maybe need to go to the doctor. Sit down.
Alright, when I'm done, I can check on you, but I'm going to be a nurse in here.
Oh, thank you for checking on me.
You're better now.
Yeah.
And out the doctor.
Mm-hmm. Achoo! Achoo!
Are you sick again?
Yeah.
Alright, gonna check again. Looks like you have fever again, but you're all better.
Achoo!
Let's check on you again. Looks like you have fever again, but you're all better.
Do you know I'm not really sneezing?
But you're all better, but you're not sneezing now.
Well, did you know that I was just playing?
And then you sneeze on my arm, and then you said, and then you had to cover your mouth and so you can sneeze it off. You said,
Yeah.
cough to your arm. And then they said,
Are you mad at me for sneezing on you?
oh no.
Okay, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Achoo! Achoo! Oh my God. I got it in your face.
It was, it's okay. Looks like you're not sneezing anymore, but you're all better.
I think she caught on to me. Come here, Santana.
No. Achoo.
Santana, you want to play with us? Let's play a game.
No.
Ooh, is that a cartoon? What cartoon is that?
That's Emma Brad.
Do you want to watch a different cartoon?
No. We also want to watch that one. It says Achubachu. That one is Achubachu because it's also
Hi.
Bachu. That
Say
one,
cheese.
you're not sneezing.
No, I don't have to sneeze anymore. Achoo! Achoo! It's just water.